Hello everyone, in this video we will see the Copilot Money tutorial. Copilot is a smart financial management app designed to help users track their income, expenses, budgets, and savings goals with ease through a clean, automated interface. It securely links to your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments to provide a real-time picture of your financial health. By leveraging machine learning, Copilot automatically categorizes your transactions and gives personalized insights into your spending habits. To begin using it, just visit copilot.money and sign up for an account. Once registered, you'll be promoted to securely connect your financial accounts via trusted providers like Plate. Copilot then imports your recent transactions and sorts them into editable spending categories. You can tailor these categories to reflect your financial lifestyle and goals. Its dashboard displays your monthly budget, cash flow, net worth, and upcoming bills in a clear, organized view. You can set custom spending limits for specific categories, and the app notifies you when you're nearing or exceeding those limits. It also tracks recurring subscriptions and highlights areas where you can cut back. With its intuitive visuals and layout, Copilot makes managing your money simpler and less stressful. You also get access to detailed analytics, spending trends, and helpful nudges to keep your finances on track. The Copilot requires a subscription after a free trial. Many users find the automation insights and ease of use well worth the investment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.